morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter M. Letter M is the next letter after letter L, and its sound is M. Moon. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, we can see a boy riding a motorbike. There is a monkey swinging on a mango tree. Monkey, mango, motorbike are friends of M. Do you know some more friends of M? Good job. Map, mug, mat, moon are some more friends of M. Children, in this lesson, we learned about mangoes. It is very sweet and juicy fruit. Do you like to eat mangoes? Children, is mango a summer fruit or it comes in winter season? Yes, mango is a summer fruit. There are some mangoes on a tree. Can you count them? Right. There are 13 mangoes on the tree. Do you want to take one? Let's learn to write letter M. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.